Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to download and install Cisco Packet Tracer on your laptop or computer. If you are a computer engineering or networking student, then this software is one of the most important tools you will use to practice networking without buying real-time routers and switches. So let's get started. So first, open any browser such as Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge. Search for Cisco Packet Tracer download. Then you will see the official website, that Cisco Networking Academy. Then you simply click on that website. So there is what is Cisco Packet Tracer and free training and download. So click on that. So you will be open in this interface, that is Cisco Networking Academy. This is the official website to download Cisco Packet Tracer. Then if you have a Cisco Networking Academy's account, then you simply log in. If you don't have, then you can sign in. I have already Cisco Packet Tracer account, so I simply go to my email and then I'll just log in automatically. So you can just enter your email and your password to download on Cisco Networking Academy. So here I am on the official page of Cisco Networking Academy. Here I can see Cisco Packet Tracer. You just scroll down and you will see getting started. Getting started with Cisco Packet Tracer. So you simply click on that button. Then just scroll down and you will see here resume course. So simply click on that resume course. Then you will see here download and use Cisco Packet Tracer. Then you just scroll down on your right side. You will see download Cisco Packet Tracer. Then you just simply click on that link that is given in this interface. You will open another interface. Then here just scroll down. I am on resource hub interface. Then scroll down. If you have operating systems such as Mac OS, Ubuntu or Windows, you simply download the version. So I have Windows, so I click on Windows. Then you can see here my .exe file is downloading. So because of slow network, it is not downloading fast. So simply open this file. Then the Cisco Packet Tracer app, and you click on next. Then you tick the box, create a quick launch shortcut. Then you tick that box and then next and then install. The Cisco Packet Tracer is installing. We will wait for installation of Cisco Packet Tracer. Here my Cisco Packet Tracer is downloading and it is at the end of its download, and it is installed successfully. Here you can see completing the Cisco Packet Tracer setup wizard. Then you simply click on finish button. Then you just do you want to run this file, you just simply click on, you just close that tab. Okay, then your Cisco Packet Tracer app is opened by default. Then wait a minute for this. Then you just allow, then login. If you click on login, then you will redirect it to that browser page. So I redirected to a browser page. Then I just simply go with Google to login. Then here you can see you have successfully logged in into Cisco Packet Tracer. You may close this tab. So here you can see end devices, components, connections, miscellaneous, multi-user connection, routers, switches, hubs, and etc. So Here you can see all this interface. So we will learn this all in next videos, our next upcoming videos. The biggest question is, what can you do in Packet Tracer? Using Cisco Packet Tracer, you can perform mini networking practicals to build LAN, WAN networks, configure routers and switches, how routers and switches works. You will be learn to assign IP addresses to particular device or machine, test connectivity using ping. That's how you can download and install Cisco Packet Tracer on your Windows. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.